I have some special friends here with me. I have Monique, I have Janita, and I have Candice. Hi guys.
Hello.
Now these guys have told me something very special. They've been coming to the beach house condos for over 18 years, guys. And today we're here promoting the beach house condos Negril. This place caught my eye when I stayed next door. And when I walked the compound, it was beautiful. And I'm sure everyone here has something special that they can say about the beach house condos. So we'll start with you. What do you like about the beach house condos?
The first thing I like about the beach house condos is when you're walking in, it's like so tropical and gives you beautiful jungle up here, and the birds. Yeah, the birds, they have different sounds that we're not used to in the States. Yeah, and everybody here is really nice. They make us feel at home. They call us Jamaican now. So we're part of the family.
And you know what? I tell everyone, the term Jamaicans are for the folks who are staying in the all-inclusive, ritzy places. These folks are Jamaican. Right? These folks are you know, they immerse themselves in the culture. And for you, Janita, what do you like about staying here at the beach house condos?
Well, Cypher is just a beautiful place with beautiful staff. We've had the opportunity to watch people grow up. It's the staff work. A lot of them have been here for as long as we've been coming. So we've celebrated some of the kids. We saw them as little kids helping out their parents. Then their graduation from high school and then college and so on. And last year, I think we had some of the kids came over and took them shopping. So we're watching them grow up from babies. So they all become a part of our family.
And Candice, what do you love about this
What I love about this place, it's actually a real emotional connection. It's just beautiful. I wake up every day. To me, there's no other area. The view from here is beautiful. So I just wake up, give my serenity, and just fall in love with this place each year. Every year. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful place to be. You can tell me where to find yourself.
I wish I owned the beach house condo, because with this flow and review, whatever you're doing, guys, keep doing it, because you have everyone that I've spoken to have had excellent reviews about this place, and I'm sure all you folks from around the world viewing this, we're going to give you a taste later on of how the condo looks. We're going to tour one of the units and give you an inside view. Now,
Don't forget the kitchen. The food is delicious.
The wait staff, everybody, the wait staff, they make you feel like family. Whatever you want, they're there.
And they remember what you like too.
Yes.
now, Monique had a plate of. Don't think I didn't notice, Monique. You had a plate of ackee and saltfish here.
Traditional Jamaican breakfast.
And let me tell you, folks, they're not joking. Monique cleaned the plate. Alright, no waste here. So, to the staff, the chefs at the beach house, excellent job. Excellent job. So, you guys have been coming here for 18 years. One of the beauties that if you're not staying at an all-inclusive, etc., it allows you to immerse yourself more in the culture. And that's what a lot of people love. Where are some of the places that you've visited on the trip to Jamaica?
We've been to Ocho Rios. We've been to Ocho Rios, the falls. The coastal. I went up to we've been up to the coastal falls around here. And I've even went up to the mountains and had church. And then we made a church. In the church up in the mountains.
Did you get baptized up in the mountains?
No, I didn't.
But you know that's a thought. That's a thought.
Baptism in the mountains.
That's a thought.
Yes, we celebrate several weddings.
My daughter had a wedding here.
My sister, both of my sisters got married here.
That's so beautiful to know that you have a place place where you can go. You know, and I said this before. You know, remember Cheers?
Yeah.
Where everybody knows your name, Norm comes in, everybody goes crazy. I mean, Jamaica gives you that feeling. You come down, everybody knows your name, especially when you've been to a place like the Beach House Condo.
They really do. They really do know your name.
They do. They remember. Like previously said, they remember your
See, folks, Tapper Talks, as we say, it's all about connection. And I enjoyed connecting with these ladies. I mean, they're a part of a whole group. How many of you?
This time it's 20.
Last time it was over 100.
They get big groups.
Every other year is different.
Folks, do you hear that?
Yes.
This time it's 20. The last time it was over 100 folks.
And we love it so much that we always try to follow some other new. That makes the group grow.
So these guys are the epitome of connection.
Absolutely.
Tapper Talks is all about connection. And we meet people from all over the world. We talk about the things that make them happy. You know, we
Don't
talk.
forget our tour guide, Fabian. Fabian Tours. He takes care of everything. Our transportation. You get everything we need when we get in.
So when you guys are in California, California has great weather too.
Yeah.
It's not Jamaica.
You couldn't be sitting out here enjoying the rain. That's for sure.
Now that's what I want people to understand, and I'm glad you brought it up. We're in Jamaica. It's supposed to be sunny. It's supposed to be bright. All this stuff. But guess what? It's raining, and we're having a
And we don't want to go inside.
And we don't want to go inside.
We want to stay out here.
Right here.
I remember the first time I came, it was raining like this, and I put on my bathing suit, got in the water, and it was the best feeling ever. It was the best
It's warm at 3 a.m. You go out there, it's still warm. The water's still perfect.
And what a lot of people don't realize, this minute, you see the ocean like this and all the rain, and in another half an hour, the sun pops up, and everybody's out, just enjoying it. So, it's been a pleasure talking to these ladies. Let me dive a little bit deeper into, so you guys are all sisters.
We went to high school together. We went to high school.
My sister she is but yes, she's a sister. And I have been to each other a lot.
So you heard what she just said, folks? These guys have been together for 40 years. And it's great to highlight this level of togetherness, sisterhood, because as I said, Tapper Talks is all about connection. And these guys are like the model of what sisterhood should be about. I gotta applaud you guys. But you know what? Though? A lot of times, folks get a picture online or on television or whatever about people bickering and quarreling and their fights and cat fights and dragging out here and all this stuff. You see it all over YouTube, Facebook, all the time. There's so many people like these folks out there. I'm sure. And I'm just glad that we can highlight that and show people that, hey, sisterhood is alive and well. It's here in Jamaica. These guys are from California. They bring the sisterhood with them wherever they go. And I just want to celebrate them and thank them for sitting with us and enjoying some good time with Tapper Talks. What do you guys think about Tapper Talks?
Well, we gotta watch it and check it out.
There you go.
We're gonna check it out. We're gonna share it.
There you go. You hear that, guys?
We're gonna
Thank you.
every time we go back, we take a piece of this island. And it shows.
Yeah.
When I come back, everybody's like, oh my God, are you glowing?
Yes. Now, remember I said that to you?
Yes.
When you were sitting over there, I'm like, you're glowing?
Yes.
Because I saw it too. And I
It's
see it in
not
all
even
these.
like a vacation. It's like we just come live in Jamaica.
We come home. We actually come home. I walked in the other day we got here and I said, I'm home. And everybody that worked here was like, welcome home. I mean, yeah.
That's how my family feels. I mean, we live in Delaware, and my wife, my daughter, my son, whenever, every year I say to them, okay guys, where are we going for vacation? And you know, my wife's like, yeah, we're gonna go someplace different. And as soon as it comes down to time to put that reservation in, oh, let's go to Jamaica. You know? So she's taken me out so many times. I know every time she's gonna want to come to Jamaica. So we just book our trip.
Come to Jamaica, man.
Come to Jamaica, man. And when you come to Jamaica, make sure to check out Tapper Talks. We'll get you hooked up. So I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Much respect. Big up. And God bless.